Alright, so I wanted to talk about the Ayumu Product S-Quad 120, and then the other bait you'll see on this video is the Jackall Derabreak Blade. 1/4 ounce is what I like to throw in the river because it is a little bit heavier. It comes in 1/8, 3/16. I have on it as a trailer the HP Shad tail from OSP. I really like the chartreuse, which I think is like a clear chartreuse. I like that just because it is nice for how fast my river is currently flowing. I just feel like seeing that high vis kind of whiz by gets me more bites, or a little more consistent bites, but I could be making that up. I do like this finesse chatterbait for the river because it does stay higher in the water column. I don't have to worry about it getting snagged on rocks and getting lost. I'm still producing bites. I'm still producing really nice smallmouth, but it is a gold blade. It is a nice finesse size. It has a nice tight vibration. It's really fast. As soon as you start reeling, it just picks up. And then the Ayumu S-Quad is just a really nice swim bait. It's double jointed. I have a high vis sticker on top so that I can trace it. It's got a nice spot on the bottom for it to have weights and stuff like that. You can add like a 1 gram, a 2 gram, and make it go from floating, because all the Ayumu S-Quads right now are all floating swim baits. So you can make it suspend. If you add more weight, you can make it a slow sink. If you add more weight, you can make it a fast sink. But it is super nice because of how versatile it is, how you can customize it to your liking. It's got a plastic tail. It is ABS plastic, but I just really like this. I do have one more in my swim bait box, and it is kind of the same setup. It's just kind of like a silver coppery top. But yeah, these are the two main lures that you'll see on the video. Alright, so paired up with the baits that you're going to see on this video are the Revoltage 6/8 casting rod. It is medium heavy. And I also have this paired up with the Daiwa SLP Works Zillion 2021 that just came out. And so this is a nice setup because it is medium heavy, so there is some bend to it. Great for chatterbaits. The other rod that I throw the chatterbait on is my lighter Jackall, which is the bait finesse tournament rod, and that's also a medium heavy, but it's shorter, and it also has more bend on the tip. But I do prefer this one because it does give me a little bit more backbone while still having that soft tip. For the Ayumu Product swim bait, I have this on the Daiwa Elite 7.4 rod, and this is for chatterbaits, big top water, but I really like it for treble hook baits. Paired up with it, I have it on the Daiwa Tatula Elite 7.1, and then this is a 9:1 ratio. So with this situation, I just reel slower. I just slow it down, and I get the action that I want. But this is kind of the setup for it that I have for myself. So we're going to start off with the Ayumu S-Quad 120. And it is a floating bait. So we're going to see what it can get us. We're just here bank fishing, kind of seeing what we can get. Got it. Nice smallie. Yep. It's fighting. Let me meet it. Oh, that is a nice one. And as you guys can see, the Ayumu works. This is the S-Quad 120. And we'll get it off and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here we are. Nice fall bite. Here's the 120 compared to it. I mean, as you can see. So we'll get it off and we'll release it. I turned off the camera because I don't have that much space left. But I did catch another one. Ooh, another nice one. Bank flip. All right, these are really, really healthy. As you can see, let me get it off and then I'll get back to you guys. So we're gonna switch baits, not because I have to, I just want to. This is the Jackall Derabreak Blade. And it has an OSP paddle tail in high-vis green. This is a bluegill pattern, but I just wanted to add the tail just because I'm dragging it through a river. So we'll see how it does. What I like about this specific chatterbait is that A, it's 1/4 ounce, so I can keep it up top pretty quickly. I don't have to be afraid of losing it to the rocks because it sinks too fast. It's not 3/8. So in case the river... Oh, got it. Got a bite already. All right. This one is feisty. And look at that. Nice, healthy smallie. Let me give it some slack. Nice, healthy smallie on the Jackall Derabreak Blade. Look at that. All right, we're back. That was a weird sound. Let me just do a couple practice casts. That was really weird. There we go. And again, like I said, what I like about the 1/4 is that it stays, it will sink down if I let it, but it stays higher in the water column, and so I can let it sink. The sink rate is more under my control in the river. It does more of what I want it to do, whereas the 3/8 I feel like I have to chuck and then like speed wind up. Especially if it's hard to tell what the water depth is, like where the rocks are or anything like that. I feel like that's where this like finesse chatterbait shines. And again, that is the Jackall Derabreak Blade with an OSP paddle tail trailer. It is quick to vibrate. It has a nice tight pulsation. I can serve battery and space because I haven't emptied my memory. This is going to be a nice big one on the Jackall Derabreak Blade. Alright, as you guys can see, look at that. Look at that smallie. That is a nice fall smallie. Look at that. Gorgeous coloring. It took it pretty deep in the mouth. That was not going anywhere.